Picture this, you are 57 years old, perfectly qualified for a job, but an AI instantly rejects your application. You will never know why. The algorithm won't tell you, the company can't tell you, even the programmers who built it can't tell you. This actually happened to 200 people at iTutor Group. The AI was programmed to automatically reject women over 55 and men over 60. The company paid $365,000 to settle the lawsuit. But here's the terrifying part. They didn't even know their AI was doing this. Welcome to the black box problem. Right now, AI systems are making decisions about your loan, your job application, your insurance rate and your credit score. But when these systems say no, they can't explain why. It's like having a judge who renders verdicts but refuses to share their reasoning. According to Bloomberg's investigation, this isn't rare, it's everywhere. The question is, how do you fight a system you can't understand? Every day, black box algorithms are quietly judging you. When you apply for a loan, an AI instantly scans your data and decides your fate. When you submit a resume, another AI ranks you against other candidates. You never see this happening. You never consented to algorithmic judgment. You just get a yes or no. University of Washington researchers tested 3 major AI systems used for hiring. They submitted identical resumes with different names. The results were shocking. AI favored white associated names 85% of the time and female names only 11% of the time. Black male names were never preferred over white male names, not even once. According to Data Robot's 2024 survey of over 350 companies, 62% lost revenue due to AI systems that made biased decisions. We're not talking about small amounts. Racial bias in financial algorithms could lead to $1.5 trillion in lost GDP potential in the US alone. Finance industry experts warn this is particularly dangerous in regulated industries. When an AI denies your loan application, banks must explain why, but they literally can't. The algorithm took in hundreds of variables and reached a conclusion through processes no human can follow. As trust path research shows, it's better to have a slightly less accurate AI that can explain itself than a perfect black box that puts your business at risk. Think of how a child learns to recognize cats. Show them enough examples and they magically know catness without being able to explain it, right? AI works the same way. According to University of Michigan research, it's a trend-finding machine that can't show its work. IBM research identifies 2 kinds of black boxes. First, companies intentionally hide their algorithms to protect trade secrets. Second, and more terrifying, are organic black boxes. AI systems so complex that even their creators don't understand how they make decisions. Here's what should keep you up at night. These systems learn from historical data full of human bias. When Amazon built an AI hiring tool, it automatically learned to discriminate against women because it was trained on resumes from a male-dominated industry. The AI taught itself that words like executed and captured were better than words women typically used. But it gets worse. As Lehigh University research discovered, even when companies try to remove bias, AI can use proxy data. Your zip code, credit score, or even your household members' information can reveal your race, and algorithms can exploit these hidden connections. And now, AI systems are starting to prefer content created by other AIs, creating what researchers call an LLM writing assistance tax. You literally need to pay for AI help to compete with AI-generated applications. Financial regulators are freaking out. The Bank for International Settlement warns that heightened model risk can be caused by lack of explainability of AI models. When AI denies your credit application, banks legally must explain why, but they can't. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission has launched investigations into AI hiring discrimination. One company allegedly programmed its software to systematically reject American citizens from job applications. Another case involved Workday, accused of discriminating against African American people over 40 and disabled individuals through its AI screening tools. Representatives from the commission calls AI bias the civil rights issue of our time. The commission told Congress that they need more resources to investigate these increasingly sophisticated tools because current cases are probably just the tip of the iceberg. Here's the scariest part. Individual applicants can't even tell when they have been discriminated against because the AI's reasoning is invisible. You just get rejected with no way to know if it was fair or biased. Some companies are building white box AI that can show its work. Instead of mysterious scores, these systems provide reason codes explaining every decision. Credit risk managers can see exactly why someone was approved or denied, allowing them to spot and fix biases. Here's the dilemma. More complex AI is often more accurate but less explainable. However, the research shows you're better off with slightly less accurate AI that can explain itself than a perfect black box that could destroy your business through lawsuits. The European Union is creating risk categories that could prohibit black box AI in high-stakes applications like finance, healthcare, and criminal justice, and many more. Some states are requiring companies to disclose when AI influences hiring decisions. Studies show that organizations with bias testing programs were 23% less likely to report financial losses. Following explainability rules helps companies strengthen their reputation, avoid AI-related risks, and stand out from competitors still using the black box systems. Under current law, you have the right to know when AI influences major decisions about you, but many companies aren't complying yet. Black box AI isn't coming. It's already here. Every major decision in your life probably involves an algorithm you can't understand, controlled by people who don't understand it either. Demand transparency from every company that uses AI to evaluate you. When applying for loans, jobs, or insurance, ask if AI is involved and request explanations for decisions. Support legislation requiring algorithmic transparency. Companies that invest in explainable AI now will have a competitive advantage as regulations tighten. Transparency isn't just ethical, it's profitable too. The black box era is ending, but only if we demand it.